So we installed this ceramic tile on our floors, and I picked sable brown grout color, which I'm very happy with, except for when I got done with my first batch, it looked like bleached purple vomit, like from Barney the dinosaur, which was not okay. My second attempt wasn't much better. So I went to the store and consulted the manufacturer, and between everything everybody told me, I finally came up with how to get the grout color to come out right, at least in this situation, with the ceramic tile and using this Prism unsanded grout. So evidently what the problem was is, even though it doesn't seem like the tile is porous because of the wood texturing, apparently it is porous, and it's sucking up the water out of the grout and therefore the color. And the other problem was when we cleaned the haze off after grouting, that was bleaching the grout even more. So I'll tell you what method we came up with to get the color to come out pretty good. I'm very happy with this now. This is what I wanted. I ended up in the kitchen, I cut out one section. The first section was not going to work. And I bought this Grout Renew product that matches the grout color, same manufacturer. And I ended up painting that on. I just used Q-tips. That was the easiest way. And it looks good. The final product looks great. It matches the existing, what else I've done since then. It wasn't too horrible to do. You don't want to get it on the tile though, I'll tell you that, because I ended up going back with a cleaner and cleaning off the Grout Renew that had been on the tile, because it's kind of like a paint. It's like a paint stain. It's a thick paste. But it did work, and it was better than cutting out all the grout that wasn't quite the color that I wanted. So then, basically what I do, there is this Aquamix Grout Release product. I will never tile again without using this. It makes cleanup so much easier. And then because cleanup is easier, you have less washing to do, you're not bleaching out the grout color when you're cleaning up. And it is very easy. I bought these lint-free sponge towels just at Dollar Tree, and I use that to apply this grout release. And this goes a long way. I want to say I paid $8 or something for this grout release bottle, and I'm not even halfway through the bottle, and I've done about 400 or 500 square feet of tile with it. So it is worth every penny. It will make your life so much easier when you're cleaning up the grout. So I basically just put about that much on my sponge and just rub it on a couple ways and directions on the tile. Next tile, same thing. And then it says to let dry 30 minutes. But really, by the time you're done doing whatever section you're going to grout, it's going to be 30 minutes. You can just start and go. So it's not that much extra time. It goes really quick. And like I said, it really makes cleanup super easy. I will never grout without using this product again. I'm hooked on it. So I hope that helps somebody, because I went through a lot of effort to figure out how to get this color to come out right, and I really didn't find much information online. People tried to blame it on effervescence, which is just a fancy word for minerals in the water and the grout come to the surface and make it look pale, and you can clean it with vinegar and stuff later. No, this was bleaching the color. Now maybe there is a little bit of effervescence with some, but. So the other thing you're going to have to do to get your grout color to come out the right tone that you want is the mixture has to be exactly the same every time of water and grout mix. And so the box has instructions for mixing this entire 25 pounds or the individual bags, which are still 12.5 pounds. I mixed 4 pounds to start, thinking that would be plenty and fine. More than half of it turned into a cement brick in my little mix bucket before I could use it. So I've gone to mixing 1 1/4 pounds of grout at a time. And I use this little postal scale that I've had. Now they do make cheaper ones that are springy. I don't know how you can weigh a small amount, but that's what I do, is weigh it exactly. I weigh out 1.25 pounds of grout and 5 ounces of water, and use filtered water just for effervescence effects. And I just want to show you what the mixed grout looks like. It's very thick. Just keep mixing it as you go. It will look really dry at first, but you keep mixing and it'll be fine. So that's the consistency of what I end up using. It's very thick.